Hey everybody, it seems like we're having energy crises across the planet right now. If you check out the spot market in the Netherlands or Europe or China, Ireland, when it comes to natural gas or coal, due to trade and also due to the issues with transport, the supply chains are backing up even more. I think it's time that we all just decide to figure out how to start growing food together. And again, that's what this channel is all about. I suggest that you start getting trees in the ground. We're gonna need your trees in the next couple of years. So the more trees that you get in with that fruit that can feed people and animals, the better. The energy inflation will cause food inflation. A lot of people don't grow with the permaculture way, where they do heavy water management and energy management audits. A lot of these farms, they use natural gas to grow food. And when they can't buy natural gas because it spikes from $5 to $35 on the spot market, they just can't afford to run the greenhouses and the food goes away. And that causes shortages in food, which causes higher prices. We're expecting higher prices for food because of this energy issue. That means you probably do want to pick up a little bit of food for your family just so that you're prepared. It's probably not going to get any cheaper anytime soon, and there's going to be shortages, so it's important that we start planning and just making sure that we're safe and that we're ready to help rebuild, because that's what we're going to need to do is rebuild, and we're going to need to rebuild using permaculture. Having a very specific energy audit of a site, we can eliminate tons of waste and tons of pollution, and then we can also grow the food local to where it needs to be, and we don't need to distribute it, which means we don't need as much energy to distribute it. Personally, I'm looking to buy some land right now so that I can expand my operation, because I feel like my calling is to grow food for people. So far, I've only grew food for myself, but I'm letting it be known right now that I'm actively looking for land. So if you have any ideas, please reach out to me. I currently live in Connecticut, Zone 6B. I'm willing to have another piece of property lower south as far as South Carolina. I want to build a big farm and feed a lot of people local to the community that I purchased the land in. So hopefully the land will be close to where the people are. I understand that the climate down south is going to be different. I'm excited to see what other plants I can grow, but also I'm excited to see if I can push boundaries between the two. I will keep you updated on anything else I learn about the events that are occurring. If you made up your mind and you don't know where to start, I would suggest going on YouTube videos and just watching a lot of videos, and then looking for where you can buy some cheap trees. There are permaculture nurseries that you can buy from. I usually wait till the end of the season at Lowe's to pick up some fruit trees. They usually mark them down half off. I haven't done that in a few years, so I don't know if they still do that. This message is not a reason to alarm you. Once these events start to play out, there's really no going back. So we need to start preparing, we need to start growing, and we can rebuild together. I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode.